Let's talk about ZBCN, Zebec Network. I've covered this coin so much. Let me go and check when was the last time I covered it. Meanwhile, you can let me know in the comments what do you expect from ZBCN. What would it do? What is going to be the all-time high according to you in the comment section? That would be helpful. Last time we talked about this coin was on, when was it? Sorry. It was Thursday. 10th of July, today is 15th of July, 5 days ago, and at that time we talked about how it has broken out of its downward trend. So this thing had a downward trend, as you can see. It was continuously stuck under this area. It went and touched the support area that we have, and then it went towards the resistance of 00377. It got rejected, and of course, if we talk about its today's case scenario, it's no different than what it was before because it's still sitting at 0032. And I'll show you the area of 00377. Shockingly, even though this is not a critically important area, it is struggling with it. Our psychological area was of course 004. Don't get me wrong. This is more from the perspective of the TA. But as you can see, this is the area. A lot of wicks touched it and it failed. Only one wick touched our psychological area of 004. And it has dramatically failed. Dramatically failed in a sense that this is not even a bullish case scenario for this coin. This was the least that we were expecting from ZBCN to go and do. And of course, recently they had release of tokens as well. I think 2.6% of the supply got released. I forgot the date in the month of July. So furthermore, inflation is added. Not very crazy, but of course it is damaging. And at the same time, while it is out of the downward trend, ZBCN is struggling, and I'll show you now the current chart. As you have waited this long, I'll show it to you. As you can see in the current chart, the overall situation is it has created triple top. It touched this area of, I'll zoom it in for you, 00377, and this is on 4 hours, okay? It touched this area again and again and again. When something is touching this much, an area of resistance, and then it is failing, that is pretty much indicating it is going to go back towards the area of 00255, which is our support area. And of course, I mean, if it can go to 00255, it might as well go to 001 as well. And that is disastrous. It is painful, like I've said previously as well. Going from 007 to 001, it is a disaster. I mean, it is something that can piss anyone off. Anyway, other than that, there is nothing else to add to ZBCN. ZBCN can start getting bullish if it captures the area of 004, which is the psychological area. If you want to go through TA, then 00377. Close 2 daily candles above it with their bodies, then I will say ZBCN has started the upward journey. If it is not doing it, then you pretty much need to assume that ZBCN is struggling. While the market was bullish for like 4 days, ZBCN didn't do shit. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.